impossible to market profitably an almost forgotten beverage of our great-grandfathers? Well, that's the case of Sunrise Corn Coffee in Bayugan, Agusan del Sur. Mr. Ernesto Paglinawan, or Erning, among his friends, started the business of producing corn coffee in 2004. For 12 years, Mang Erning is a successful insurance agent. He was awarded as a national top seller in their insurance company. Because of the nature of his job, there was a time that he only come home once a year. This situation, coupled with a misunderstanding with his boss, he decided to quit his job.
So we started our business last 2004. That was registered 2004. Prior to that, I was with the insurance companies. Then last trip ko sa insurance, medyo wala kaming pag-unawa sa manager namin. So lumabas ako, kasama ko yung younger brother ko. Then yung kapatid ko, sabi niya, "Kuya, paano na yung mga anak ko? Hindi na sila makapag-aral kasi wala tayong trabaho." So we started 8 kilos of corn. Tapos linuto namin yun doon sa karahay. Tapos may mga bato lang, ilagay namin sa yung karahay, pinatong namin sa bato. Then we started na inano namin yun, linuto namin mga around 5 hours bago naluto. Now we started, this is a family business. Even myself, kasama ko doon sa packaging, lahat-lahat. Mag-start kami sa trabaho namin mga 5 o'clock in the morning, early in the morning, then matulog kami at 12 midnight. Kami lang.
Steadily, the business progressed, but his capacity is still limited by the meager technology and knowledge in food processing that he possesses, until
one time, may sulat dumating sa akin na may seminar, may training. Yung training na yan is GMP, packaging and labeling. Then mayroon ding may GMP, good manufacturing practices. Na-meet ko doon ang mga taga DOST. So nakita-kita kami doon. Tapos ginawa nila kami ng design kasi wala kami, sarili na lang namin yung mga design namin ginawa. Pinadikit lang sinunod lang namin doon sa silupin yung label namin. So ginawaan kami ng taga DOST. Nakita ko naman maganda yung design sa DOST.
Upon knowing of the programs and projects of DOST, Mang Erning availed the Small Enterprise Technology Upgrading Program, or SETUP. Through the funding assistance of SETUP amounting to 235,000 pesos, Sunrise Corn Coffee was able to upgrade its production facility by acquiring new equipment like grinder, roasting machine, and other processing tools. He also availed various trainings provided by DOST. This year, he became one of the recipients of the Manufacturing Productivity Extension Program, or MPEX. After availing SETUP, Mang Erning was able to expand his business. For a capacity of only about 1.3 tons per month, he was able to increase it to more than 10 tons per month. As a result, the employment generated increased from only 4 to more than 40. The sales also soared from 13,000 per month to 400,000 per month. He was also able to acquire a good packaging and labeling through the OST, which helped the business expand its market from Caraga to Region 10 and Manila. According to Mang Erning, the technological upgrading not only improved the lives of his family, but also the community around his business.
Kalabanan sa mga workers namin dito is dito lang sa Populis, dito lang near mga neighbors namin yung mga babae, yung mga housewife. Instead nga magsikas-sikas na sa bahay nila, dito na lang sila sa amin nagtatrabaho. Dito sila naglibang. So kumita sila. Yung mga raw mats namin, binili namin yan sa mga farmers. No. Minsan yung mga traders dito, binili nila na tag 11 pesos. Kami bibilihin namin ng tag 12.50. May sabi ko lang sa national agency ng DOST at saka dito sa region, sa province, marami talagang naitulong nila sa akin. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako sa DOST, Department of Science and Technology, to our energetic director, si Sir Lindo. Napakabait niya, super ayos talaga. Yung marami silang nagawa sa amin. Ilang beses siya magbisita sa amin dito, tingin-tingin siya kung anong maitulong niya sa amin.
Mang Erning is now far from where he began. From a rented tricycad, he now delivers his product through a car and a truck. But all of this was made possible through his persistence and, most importantly, by employing technological innovation.